Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. Today I'm going to share with you 2 simple recipes with fresh corn, and it's very refreshing and easy to make. Of course, very kid friendly. Let me show you the very simple ingredients. I have 3 years of fresh corn. Of course, you can use canned corn. And first we need to remove the kernels. Do one side like this. Now it's flat. Turn over. Now we removed all the kernels. And just need to break them up a little bit. And the corn is ready. For the first dish, we're going to make steamed eggs with corn. We need 2 eggs. And we need to add a little bit of salt. This way will help the egg to solidify. Get it? Now we need to add about 3 1/4 of a cup water, cold water. Mix it. That. If you see some bubbles, we can remove the bubbles. So this way the steamed eggs will come out very smooth. Not many bubbles. And we just add some more corn kernels. That's our first dish. For the second dish, we're going to make stir-fry corn with bell pepper. So we just need half of bell pepper. That's about it, right? Save the other half. Let's remove this. And just dice it. Almost the same size as our corn. And we're ready to cook. I already pre-boiled the pot of water. So let's put our steamer in. Turn the heat to medium. You can use any steamer or steam rack. Put our eggs in. And cover with a plate. So this way the steam is not going to the eggs. And then cover it. We're going to cook about 8 minutes. I moved the eggs to the other side. While we're cooking the eggs, now we're going to make the stir fry. Heat up the pan to high heat. Add some oil. I'm going to use avocado oil. First, we'll stir fry the bell pepper. Cook about 30 seconds. Now we add corn. This will take about 3 to 5 minutes, depends on how you like it. And just add a little bit of salt. Keep stirring. After about 3 minutes, our corn almost ready. Just need to add a little bit light soy sauce for savory taste. And our stir-fried corn is ready. After 8 minutes, our egg's ready. Turn the head off, open it, let this cool off for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we're ready to open the eggs. Beautiful, isn't it?
Beautiful, looks nice.
Now we just need to dress the eggs with a little bit sesame oil, a little bit soy sauce, and green onions. Close up 2 dishes.
Wow, looks amazing.
Looking good, right? Here's a steamed eggs. Let's take a look.
Nice.
Are we ready to try them?
We're ready to try.
Which one first?
I'm going to try the custard.
Custard,
Flan.
steamed eggs with corn.
Oh, that's
Corn
great.
crunchy, sweet.
I love that. Fresh corn and sesame.
Kids will like it. We like it. Big kids.
It's delicious.
You can eat by itself, or you can put it over rice. When we grew up, we always had steamed eggs over rice. So good, so homey.
Here's the second one now. Oh, this is good.
Stir fry.
This would be good over rice. Yum. Excellent.
The freshness from both corn and the bell pepper, right? Crunchy,
Amazing. I love it.
sweet. Please try to make it so simple. As I said, if you don't have fresh corn, you can use canned corn. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.